Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's dive right into the hidden economics of car manufacturing. We're talking about a high-stakes winner-take-all battle. And the crazy part? This all happens quietly behind closed doors, literally years before a new vehicle ever hits the showroom floor. Seriously, think about the lights on your own car for a second. Those sleek headlights, the distinctive taillights, how'd they actually get there? Automakers don't just shop for these parts right before the car rolls off the line, like they're picking up light bulbs at the local hardware store. Not at all. There are these invisible, fiercely competitive decisions being made years in advance. So how exactly do automakers choose who gets to build these incredibly complex systems? Well, the answer lies in this core concept called the OEM Design-Win Cycle. Basically, this means getting chosen by an original equipment manufacturer, a major car brand, to make the lights for a brand new vehicle model. But here is the absolute kicker. This decision is made years before that car ever goes on sale. And once you're chosen, boom, you become the exclusive supplier for the entire lifespan of that vehicle. It's the ultimate winner-take-all scenario. Win the design phase and you literally win the whole game. Think of it kind of like an actor landing the lead role in a massive 10-year superhero movie franchise. Right at year zero, you make your pitch and you secure the win. Then throughout years 1 and 2, you're investing heavily in development, creating these highly specific metal molds, which the industry calls tooling, just to make the parts. Finally, by year 3, the vehicle officially launches to the public. And from year 4 all the way to year 10, or however long that car stays in production, you are just sitting on a multi-year guaranteed revenue stream. Once you win that initial role, your work is guaranteed for the next decade. And this kind of forward revenue visibility, it's incredibly tangible. Just look at the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2026. We saw major contracts secured for the Mahindra XUV 7XO, the Tata Punch facelift, the Skoda Kushaq facelift, the Toyota Urban Cruiser Ebola, and the Suzuki EXS. For a top Tier 1 supplier, meaning a company selling parts directly to the automaker, tracking these new platform wins each quarter is like having a crystal ball. It tells them exactly what their financial pipeline is going to look like years down the road. To really put this into perspective, let's compare a standard component sale to a design win. A standard sale? That's just a one-off transaction. It brings unpredictable volume and it leaves the supplier highly vulnerable to whatever the market is doing that day. It's a constant, anxiety-inducing grind. But an OEM design win? That is a guaranteed multi-year revenue stream with locked-in supplier status. This is exactly why industry analysts track these wins obsessively. It takes a business from just hoping for sales today to virtually guaranteeing them for the next 7 to 10 years. Now, securing these massive, exclusive contracts is exactly what separates the genuine market leaders in the Indian automotive lighting space from everybody else. When a company can consistently lock down these multi-year platforms across a whole bunch of different automakers, they essentially built an incredibly defensible moat around their entire business. So why is this winner-take-all model absolutely crucial for automotive lighting specifically? Well, it really comes down to 3 massive hurdles. First off, lighting isn't just for aesthetics anymore. It's a critical safety component governed by really strict government-mandated regulations. You can't just slap a generic part on there. Second, the tech is changing so fast. We're moving from simple bulbs to wildly expensive microprocessor-controlled matrix LED systems and adaptive driving beams. And third, to build these complex lights, suppliers have to absorb massive upfront costs just to create the custom metal molds and tooling. Because of this intense regulatory, tech, and financial burden, a supplier simply cannot survive without the guarantee of a multi-year win to eventually pay off all that heavy lifting upfront. It totally changes how you look at the cars passing you by, doesn't it? Every single set of headlights and taillights out there represents a massive, multi-year corporate victory. So the next time you see a brand new car cruising down the road, take a second to ask yourself, who actually won the invisible battle to light its way years ago?